I was being 100% honest with myself, and I asked myself, if I was to attain the level of success that I imagine, that's in my mind, that I'm thriving for, what would I be doing with it?
Get fixed. Let's get it.
So a lot of us don't even have the fundamentals of how we're going to base our life once we do attain that type of success, because that shit could drive you insane. It could drive you crazy. It'll change your dynamics, your family dynamics, and the people around you. Understand that the level of success that you over every night, that you wet the bed over, it's not what you think it is. You're going to have people change around you. You're going to have your family beg you, basically. They're going to be all up on you for what you've attained, what you have. Understand that that level of success that you're trying to attain, it may not be as glorious as you think it is. You think, oh, all my problems are going to be solved once I get to the top or once I finally make it. But what you're making is enemies. You're making people around you look at you like, okay, you're a bad guy I could quickly get some money off of, or all I have to do is beg him a few times, or I could sleep with him and get his money. You are going to have to understand the money dynamic. You think it's one thing, but in reality, you're going to get something completely different out of it. Be careful, be careful, be careful. Be careful what you wish for. A lot of people end up becoming successful, don't know what to do with the money, or done everything that they possibly could. Don't see any more fulfillment in life. Don't see any way where they could be satisfied. And they off themselves. Money is going to fix your broke issue, but it's not going to fix your broken issue. If you're broken inside, money's not going to make you happy. Anyways, guys, I do want you to honestly answer that question down in the comments below. What would you genuinely do if you were able to attain the type of success that you dreamed about? That pretty much wraps it up for this video, guys. If you have any questions, be sure to let me know what it is down below. Anyways, guys, I am going to be making more personal videos like this. Been GD here from Get Fixed, and I'm out. Yes, sir. Peace.
Let's get it.